season's greetings to all present over here, my board, my fellow colleagues from Vibrant Goa, ambassadors of Vibrant Goa, and our distinguished guest, Mr. Anil Bab Khauto, and the media personalities over here who are here to encourage us to do more and more for the state of Goa. Friends, while Inspiration Awards is round the corner, and trust me, this is the beginning of the Achhe Din for Goa, for the state of Goa. Starting from the Inspiration Awards, we have lined up our one of the most exciting technological events. The second edition Global Tech Summit 2.0 is slated for March 26. The second edition of Green Goa Summit, which was well received in the first edition last year, it is slated for August 26th to 2026 August. And the most exciting event, the flagship event, the mother of all events, that is Vibrant Goa Business Summit, which is planned and scheduled for October 2026. Friends, while these are the major events which are lined up and the entire team is working tirelessly to deliver the best for the state of Goa, for the businessmen of Goa, for the SME sector of Goa, we also would be actively working and seeking your support and collaboration for various other activities which are lined up, like MSME Champions. We are also in process of conducting Construction Summit and few more events in between, and also a lot of road shows are planned, lot of round tables are planned for the issues which are very prominent to be addressed for the development of the state of the Goa. And I'm sure my team will apprise you more about exciting membership drive which we will be launching very soon on this.
I would like to extend sincere appreciation to each one of you for joining here today. Your presence has added immense value to this event, and I thank you for your time, interest, and endeavors. I hope our presentation has provided to you with valuable insights in the past achievements and current initiatives and future plans. I would also like to express my gratitude to our special guest today, Anil Bab Khauto, for unveiling the logo and the trophy design, and to our team for their tireless efforts to bring this event to us. Thank you once again for your presence, and I look forward to your combined support for our forthcoming event.
Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, a few initiatives supported by some of the state-based initiatives like Swaympurna Goa, with the whole idea of giving an entrepreneurial push to make sure that we collectively achieve this milestone. Myself, Milind Advekar, Associate Trustee at Vibrant Goa Foundation, on behalf of the entire foundation members, wish you a very, very festive evening. Happy Diwali to all of you, and welcome to this great and the first of its series event of announcement of Inspiration Awards. And I'm sure 2.0 is coming up in a big way. While we speak about the Inspiration Awards 2.0, it's also important to just let you know, while we all are here, about the series of events that are already being planned, as rightly mentioned by the chairman of the foundation. I will now call upon chairman of the amazing Goa.
Since its inception in 2019, Vibrant Goa Foundation has been instrumental in fostering bilateral trade and business opportunities for Goan MSMEs. The foundation flagship event, the Vibrant Goa Global Expo and Summit in 2019 October, was preceded with 16 international road shows and 20 plus national road shows, attracting 562 international delegates from 50 plus countries and almost 12,000 plus national and local delegates for the event. The event facilitated significant business transactions and enabled over 40 plus Goan MSMEs to venture into first time exports. The foundation since then has organized almost 40 plus events, including the EPC Export Conclave in December 2022, the Roundtable on Hospitality and Tourism in May 23, The two-day Global Tech Summit, which was organized during March 2024, Vibrant Goa Inspiration Award first edition during July 2023, Green Goa Summit in August 2024, and the second edition of Amazing Goa, which was held in 2024 November. And also we concluded with the recent events like connecting with the Zimbabwean delegation on Global Knowledge Summit, as well as an Africa Conclave with delegation visit at Pune, generating substantial business opportunities and exposure. As a not-for-profit trust, the Vibrant Goa Foundation focuses on bridging gaps between industries, governments and MSME, unlocking business potential and opportunities for Goan entrepreneurs. In its 7-year journey, the foundation has successfully converted business potentialities worth crores for Goan MSME, cementing its role as a catalyst for economic growth in the region.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.